messing with them. So the first thing they do is the foils that come out the bottom, they change them. They sand them, they cut them, they change the angles of things, they do all sorts of little bits and pieces. And that's what gets them flying above the water. And then they've got this wand system that actually is a wand that hangs off the front of the boat, and it hangs down in the water so that it keeps the level, it changes the angle in the back of the little foil flap thing. And they can change that. And so there are little subtle differences. And the guys that are really good engineers and really good sailors tend to win these events.
Well, now when they came out with the World Cup dinghy races, what's called World Cup or bullshit, content, they're out there, and everybody has their own boat. Some are really beautiful, right? All the names went in the hat. You rarely got to sail your own boat.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
You had to show up with a boat, but you didn't, tricking your boat
really
out. Your boat might beat you.
But that's really fun to do.
Yeah.
This is a whole other level. These guys invest a year of time in R&D and lab work, and, build speed, make the perfect boat. Sail that.
What does one start off with basic?
So if you wanted to get this boat ready to go sailing, you call and you get them delivered to you. It's about $22,000. And it's 11 feet long. It weighs 66
That's the same
pounds.
price my Harley stuff. Yeah.
But man, this is amazing. It's the fastest dinghy in the world by far.
Oh yeah.
It's faster than any sailboat in the world, up to about 45 feet. And the only things that are faster than 45 feet are the America's Cup 45 knots from the wing set. So this little tiny boat is faster than anything on the water, up to about 45 feet.
How long have you been making these guys now?
This one's been made for about 5 years. They've been foiling above the water for about 8 years.
Yeah.
And the class actually has been around since 1909 or something.
Are you going to be around for a while, or is it done?
It'll be around forever.
Oh, yeah?
Great,
There's some classes come and go, but
This is
like
a
the
really-
Cal 20 outlasted every class, right?
Yeah. This is and that's a different route. You can go that route, which is build a lot of boats for really cheap.
Yeah.
And
So
they'll,
everybody gets
and they'll
a boat.
last forever and build them really strong. A Cal 20 will last forever. I mean,
Well, also let everybody
you could drop
play.
it off here, off the end of the island, and it'll show up in Japan in 9 weeks. You know what I mean? It'll be fine. This boat is attractive because it gets the very best sailors in the world, the very best engineers in the world.
Yeah.
And that's what attracts them too. The America's Cup foil designers are making these foils. There are America's Cup sailors here.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. There are 7 or 8 Olympic medalists here. It's pretty amazing stuff. If you get a chance, you gotta watch. If you get a chance,
We saw them.
You saw them out
Yeah,
there.
we just came in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
They're out there practicing, going around.
Yeah,
They hold their line. It's cool.
Yeah. How sharp can you all
I'm
point
not. I'm doing the media stuff for them. Right? Press. I've sailed them a couple times.
How close can you get to the wind?
They
Closer
sail about
than-
45 degrees to the wind. They
About
don't sail.
that's the
They
same.
don't sail super close to the wind,
Okay.
but they sail so fast.
Yeah.
So you could be in a boat that's sailing 30 degrees to the wind and going like this, and they're going like this, but they're so fast
They're going to tack around you.
that they'll be way up here by the time they tack.
Yeah.
They go about 17 knots upwind in breeze at about 45 degrees, and then downwind they go up to about 30 knots.
So y'all are shooting the media, shooting this thing up there?
I'm doing the press releases and the social media, Facebook, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
We got a videographer, and then we got a photographer.
How long is it going on for? Just today?
Today is just a practice race, and tomorrow is racing, and then it'll be 6 days racing.
Wow.
Hopefully you get to watch it again. It's pretty fun.
Yeah, we live here. Yeah.